Those are meerkats. Hello. How are you today? Are you having fun? Yung isa oh, nakatihaya. Yes, there's a house there. Look at the meerkat, oh. It's standing. Say hi.
I want to take a picture. I just want to take a picture.
Okay, just a minute.
Mommy, just a moment.
You want to see the monkey?
Yeah, let's go.
Where's over there, Matt? Oh, sorry. Oh, there's two more. Watch.
Yay! There's another one coming. Oh no. Not coming out. Oh, it's coming out now. Sit it, sit it. Cute little fella. I don't know. There's only one up on the tree. Look at that. Ah, ang sarap-sarap naman ang tulog nito. Han, yugyugin mo kaya ang ano, puno.
Huh?
Yugyugin mo ang puno. Mahulog tong red panda na. You can't see her eyes because it's hiding on the tree. Look. Oh, it's moving now. Come on, Panda. You're too lazy. Move, Panda. And there's chicken chasing each other. Hey, look at here. Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf, look at me. Yeah, we're gonna see all the animals later. Oh, there. See? This is Arctic wolf. What does the snake say? Do you have a coin? I don't have a coin.
Oh, you finally found the snake?
Yeah.
Yo, that's a pretty
I
snake.
did not bring my purse. It's a milk snake.
Mommy, look. Where is he now?
He's right there.
It's
See?
a golden monkey.
There's two monkeys.
Yes. Oh, there's two. Come here. Para siyang ano, no? Para siyang puppy.
this is so cute. Oh.
Alicia, look at monkey.
What's this monkey? It's a white-handed gibbon. A gibbon.
I like his hair. Look.
Yes.
Nana wants to see the monkey.
Yes. She is the mommy monkey.
Like who's there? Who's there? Not Grace. Did you see him?
Hi.
Like, did you see monkeys? Oh, look at this one. Didn't show him.
Smile.
Look at that.
Come on. Face us.
It's like, hi.
Hi.
Hello. Ah. So cute.
You're so cute.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I want to make so.
You want some banana?
Whoa, that's a big zebra. You know the lions eat zebra?
Nagnat, takin daw to, takin. Daddy, takin ta, takin. Come here, wait, mommy. Dali. Come. Hi, takin. Wait lang, Nat. This is a Sichuan takin. It's like a small cow or a bull. Yes, Daddy. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, bless you. Oh, look at that mountain goats. Hello, mga ka-troops. How are you?